Hey everybody, what is happening? Alright, so today I'm going to learn how to rev match when I downshift because of a little incident that I had. Cue the clip. Oh, fuck. Alright, let me try that again. So today I am going to learn how to rev match and downshift. Because I had an incident. Cue the clip. I was having an issue making that turn because I was in fourth gear going around 40 miles and I slowed down, but I didn't downshift. And what made things worse was I was also going up a hill. And so first thing, I have to learn how to downshift. And second, I need to also understand that when I'm going up a hill, I can't be in one of these higher gears. I'm going to learn how to downshift today. And what I've noticed is when I downshift without properly slowing down, I feel like my bike is going to lurch forward. It's a very unsettling experience. It's not that comfortable to feel like you're going to be lurched forward and thrown off your bike. And so I want to learn how to fix that. So today I'm going to learn how to rev match. Rev matching is pretty much when you grab the clutch, you blip the throttle while also at the same time downshifting and then letting go of the clutch. And so what that's going to do is it's going to give me a smoother downshift from fourth to third, or third to second, whatever. And it's going to take away, it's going to get rid of that weird feeling of the bike feeling like it's going to lurch forward. That's the best I'm going to be able to explain in this video. If you want to know what rev matching and all the particulars of it are, you can just easily type in rev matching in YouTube or Google or whatever, and somebody much more qualified than me will let you know. For right now, I'm going to learn how to rev match. So I'm going to try to find some like straightaways. This is like a good street, but I feel like I need a little bit more space, so maybe I'll just like U-turn up there. Rev matching time, let's go. Alright, I'm in second. I'm in third. Fourth. Alright, let's try it. Damn it. I didn't get that. That didn't sound good. Alright, let's try it again. Let's try it on this street. Actually no. Nope, sorry, nah. Rerun. Let's run it back, guys. Let's run it back, baby. Alright, let's get to this spot. Alright, here we go. Rev matching time. One more. Let's see if we can get it. A lot of cars here, though. So let's see if we can... Alright, we're in second. Third. Fourth. Alright, let's try it again. Oh my god. Oh, damn. Guys, sorry. I just got nervous there. I almost got a little dyslexic. I was like, which one do I do? What do I do first? Let's do it again. Here, let's see if we can find another street. That street is pretty perfect, though. Fuck it, I'll just U-turn and just go back at it again. Oh, baby. Alright, here we go. Let's join here, folks. Let me go, Lucadia Pizza. Alright, here we go. I'm in one. I'm in two. 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, did I get that? Did I get it? It definitely smelt. What am I saying? It felt smooth. That's what I meant to say. Why don't we U-turn again? Oh, I'm practicing I get to practice my U-turns too. Alright. Wait. What's that? I'm telling you, man, every U-turn is dicey for me. This, you know, I haven't fallen yet. I have not dropped my bike yet. Knock on wood. That's my knock on wood. So I feel proud about that. But let's figure out this rev matching. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. No, dang it. Dude, man. I didn't have it. I knew what to do, but my hands didn't want to follow. You know what? I know of another. Let's try to find another straightaway. All right. I'm stopping, man. Don't worry, man. I'm stopping. I'm not an outlaw. Not yet. All right, here we go. Guess what song that is? Possibly the song of the summer? Possibly? It's Kendrick Lamar, if you don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna practice on these twisties. These baby twisties. Hey, look, they're twisties to me. Because, guess what? I'm a baby rider. And I'm not proud of it, but that's what I am. Yeah, these are gonna be twisties to me. I'm not doing knee scrapers on these. But you know what? This is high adrenaline fun for me right now. Alright. This is a straightaway. I know of the straightaway. Alright, here we go. Alright, we are in first gear. Second. Third. Oh, there's a little bit of traffic up here. Let me pull off. Ooh, there's also a copper. Let's see if we can figure out. No, yeah, I didn't want to be around the cop. Don't you find it funny when you're just trying to pretend like you're minding your own business when a cop's around, when in reality you're really you're minding them? You're just minding them? Alright, here we go. Oh, here we go. Alright, we're on 1, 2, 3. Damn, I forgot about this roundabout. Kind of ruins the flow a little bit. This is a good practice. There's a stop sign ahead. All right, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Let's do it in front of the kids. Make the kids proud. Oh, I think it still kind of felt not that great. So let's try to figure it out. Look at all the youngins, their motorcyclist selves, having fun with a ball. A ball. Oh my gosh. Nah, I'm just kidding. Balls are cool, man. All the kinds. You know what I mean? Dude, what am I talking about? I think I'm just kind of crazy, I think that's what's going on. Just a crazy person on the motorcycle. Probably not the right people that should be on a motorcycle, but probably the only people that would ride a motorcycle. What am I talking about? Dude, I could easily just rev match here. I love how I'm just like searching for just the perfect straight street. Hey man, I love being able to do that, man. It's so cool. Saying hi to your fellow rider, just be like, hey, you, me, both motorcycle? Cool. That's pretty much what it means. For those keeping score, I think I've gotten it once. That last one I did, it didn't feel that smooth. So we'll count that as half. So maybe I got 1.5. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. Wait, no, it's 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's do it, guys. Right here. Here's the 1. Oh, no, for sure I got that one, baby. For sure, man. That felt good, guys. I have to say that felt really good. Somebody in this car? Maybe they're dead. Alright, here we go. I'm in first, second, third, fourth. Alright, blip. No, that didn't sound, that wasn't as great, but I can go. So, see? Nope, that was embarrassing. Even the dog saw that. Alright, well, I had it once. Guys, I think I'm just gonna try a couple more times, and hopefully if I can get 2 in a row, I feel like I've mastered it, and I don't think I'll ever have to practice it again. Right? That's what that means? Yeah, that's what that means, bro. Should we just wait till like there's like a clear path ahead? Yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait until these cars go. 1, wait, no, 2, 3, 4. It's the moment of truth. If I don't get it here, then that means I'm not gonna be a good motorcyclist ever. Okay, let's just get. Alright, we're in 4th. Downshift now. Okay. You know what? That felt good. That felt good. I'll try it one more time. What am I in 3rd? Here, let's see if we can do it here. So I'm in 4th. Here we go. Okay, I got it. Oh, that felt much better. That felt good. Here, let's see if we can knock it down a little more. Okay, yeah, I got it. I think I'm in 2nd. Or, you know what? I don't even know. Okay, let's just try it. I'm in 3rd. I'm going to just go from 3rd to 2nd. Here we go. No, still kind of felt weird. Did not feel that great. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's a clear street here. Dude, it's win or go home now. If I get it here, we're done. I've mastered it. 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Rev-matching now. You know what? I'm gonna do it again. Oof. That was not good. Did not sound good. Did not feel good. Alright. Let's just... Man, I just want to ride. Let's go back. Nah, man, I don't feel good about it. Don't feel good about it. Here, let's do it again. Alright, let's go from 3rd to 2nd. Here we go. That in. Damn, man. This is hard. Oh, we got the street again. Here, let's try it one more time. Here it is. For all the marbles. second, third, fourth. Here we go, baby. There we go, baby. Ah, yes! Yeah! Alright. It's done. It's done, dude. I mastered it. Next thing. Let's go. I think I'm ready to go into the canyons now, man. Let's go. Do some knee scrapers. Let's go, baby. Nah, I'm just kidding. But no, I feel good about that. You know what? I'm gonna call it. I've been practicing a while. Gonna keep practicing though. So, you know, I'm gonna keep practicing these. But it's a very good thing to learn. It's a very good thing to learn. Oh man, there's a lot of cars up there.